Hello everyone! In this video we will cover a few e-commerce topics: destination zones, shipping, taxes, and coupons. Let's begin with the destination zones by selecting it in the right panel. Click Add Item, type in the item name and select applicable countries. This destination zone will be useful when configuring shipping and taxes. Now, tax rules. You can edit the name, which will be helpful if you set up multiple rules. Select the newly created destination zone and set its rate. You can also select if it applies to products, shipping, and specific item types. Once done, click Apply. Let's configure our shipping methods. Click Add Item, input the method name, and select the destination zone you have created. For the shipping time, you have few options: free, flat rate, by weight, and by subtotal. Let's go with the subtotal one. Click Add Range to set up a specific range. In my case, I will use 0 to $29.98 for paid shipping, and anything above will be free. You can also provide the estimated delivery time by setting up the range below. Once you're done, click Apply. Lastly, we have coupons. Click Add Item to add a new coupon. Here you can enter this code, select if it applies to all item types or only to specific ones. Select the discount type, the value of the code, and how long it is valid for. Also, you can toggle if it applies to discounted products. Alright, to wrap up this video, let's click Preview and test out how everything works. We will add a couple of products to the cart and proceed to checkout to see that everything works great. As you can see, everything works amazing. The shipping method is applied with the estimate provided. Shipping is free, the coupon is applied, and the tax is also calculated. Let's finish up here and continue in the next video. We will talk about using stock management to manage your online store.